The onset of winter means the season of marathon runs. Thanks to Vasco Sports Club's Goa River Marathon, the sport of long-distance running is getting popular in the state. However, not many will be aware that a Goan has been a national marathon champion in the past. Yes, Savio D'Souza is a Goan based in Mumbai who was the top Indian marathoner from 1984 to 1988. Savio was in Goa as the race ambassador for the 4th edition of Goa River Marathon. He feels a regular running can be the best activity to stay fit for life.
Marathon running is really catching up in India. Almost all the states in India is having these marathons now. Bombay has become very big, Delhi is big now, even Bangalore has become very big. Now slowly Goa is catching up. Of course it is in its infant state. This is only the fourth edition. But I'm sure, like in the long runs, Goa will also be a very big marathon.
Savio, you had been in your prime in the 80s, and not many would have known that you were the national champion. Could you just enlighten on how the challenge was during that time when you were at the top of your marathon running career?
See, I took up running is because I enjoyed running. Okay, and in Bombay we had these road races. I was an athlete. I used to do 1500, 5000, 10,000 meters. Plus, I represented Bombay and Maharashtra in even 10 cross countries also for the nationals. So, and we used to have these road races organized by this Sports Week magazine that time. And then came the Pune Marathon. But this road races, the small road races, it was like, in 10 kilometers and 15 kilometers, and there was one of 21 kilometers they used to have. I think they had it for 3 years in a row. Their vision was to have a marathon, but in fact they did not continue with it. But then when Pune Marathon came, I thought like, come on, let me run, just see. I wanted to just complete the race to see how I feel, whether I can do that event. But luckily for me, I stood first among the Indians, and I was third internationally.
And it is unfortunate that during that time the Olympic qualification was tough. So what was it like then, and how it is easier now to qualify for Olympics in marathon?
See, during my time, the qualifying, if we had to qualify for the Asian Games or the Commonwealth or the marathon, we had to run the nationals, the national marathon. It would be held anywhere. Like for example, like in 1986, before the Seoul Asian Games, my timing was better in Hong Kong than the qualifying timing for the Asian Games. But I had to run the nationals to qualify, which was held in Calcutta in the month of July. In July is very hot and humid, so there is no way that we can qualify. But now what has happened, like you can run anywhere in the world, as long as you attain the qualifying timing. So that is the advantage. So what the runners do, if they miss this one marathon, like say Bombay, they take their qualifying. If they miss that, they have a chance. They can go abroad and run. So they see where it is. The route is easy, the weather is favorable, and then you can go and choose your run.
So regret that you couldn't take part in Olympics. That would have been great for your career.
Because every athlete's dream is to go for the Olympics and the Asian Games and all that.
Right. Sabi, what was the success secret of yours? You were on top during 5 years from 84 to 88.
I had good coaches. One of my coaches, when I was doing my marathon, was Edward Sukera. He was also Goan. He has represented India in the Munich Olympics in 5,000 meters. He was my coach. So it was always that hard work. It is that run, run and run. And it is hard work. And for me, like I used to enjoy running. And then after him came the Vasant Kumar, under whom I trained for a marathon. So I was lucky to have these good coaches. But of course, it was the self-interest and the dedication and the love for running. I still run now to keep myself fit, and I'll be competing in this in my age group at least. Hope to compete. Right. How fast I can run.
Right. As we now understand, you are a coach based in Mumbai, coaching youngsters as well as middle-aged people. What is the advice that you would give someone watching this interview who would like to come on the street and run?
See, most important, I would advise all Goans, whether they are children or middle-aged or older group also. See, you run to keep fit. If you want to enjoy life, you have to be fit. What's the use of all the money in the world if you cannot enjoy it? You'll enjoy your money only if you're fit. Otherwise, you'll have to spend it all on the doctors. It is a simple advice. Because weight running, you can take care of so many injuries. You can cut down, burn your fat off, your cholesterol, your sugar, even your diabetes, and even that asthmatic problem, building up the immune system, and all these small sicknesses you can very well take care of by simply getting up in the morning or in the evening, go for a easy jog, walk, and keep fit. Because nowadays I found that even the children, they have forgotten how to run. The basic thing for any sports is to run. Because the other day I read in Bombay, 1 or 2 weeks back, there was an article which said that 30 years back, the children were more fitter. They are almost 60% fitter than the children now. The simple reason is because nobody runs, nobody plays. If you go to see, even if the children, they go to school, they sit down in the bus, go to school. During our time, we used to walk. Even nowadays, even the people are not ready to walk. Even if it is just 200 kilometers or 500 meters or 1 kilometer, that is the main reason they are so unfit.
What kind of shoes or what kind of basic equipments they need to have, proper equipments to avoid injuries?
See, to avoid injuries, the important thing is if you are starting to run, you start with walk jog. You cannot just get up and say, oh, I'm going to run and run for 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers straight away. Start gradually, go for a walk. Then after slowly go for a jog walk. You can just jog for 100 meters or 50 meters and then walk for some time. Then as you get fitter, the distance will increase. So you must never keep a time frame that, oh, within 1 month I'm going to run 21K. No, you build it up gradually. So important thing, you have to tell yourself, I'm running to keep fit. That is the thing. And as you get fitter, you will run faster and you'll run longer. Even these athletes, it is a systematic training. It is better to train under a coach after, or take the guidance from seniors who are running. And regarding shoes, you have to, of course, you need proper shoes. So you have to check, it is not important the brand, but the comfort of the shoe, like how the fit is, how well it is fitting and all those things.
That's all the time we have in this show. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.